Kitchen conversation in English. First example. I have a habit of using oven. I have a habit of using oven. मसँग ओभन युज गर्ने बानी छ. I got the cream on my hair. I got the cream on my hair. मेरो कपालमा क्रिम लाग्यो. मेरो कपालमा क्रिम लाग्यो. Put the pan on the stove. Put the pan on the stove. Pan stove मा राख. Pan means कुनै पनि खानेकुरा पकाउने, जस्तै अन्डा पकाउने भाँडा. Wash the fruits before eating. Wash the fruits before eating. फलफुल खानु अघि पखाल. Chop the carrot into small pieces. Chop the carrot into small pieces. गाजर सानो टुक्रामा काट. सानो सानो टुक्रामा गाजरलाई काट भन्दा Chop the carrot into small pieces. My room is a mess. I have to do some cleaning. मेरो कोठा फोहोर छ. मैले सफा गर्नु छ. My room is a mess. Mess means यताउता पर्नु, but हामी normally नेपालीमा फोहोर छ भन्छौं. My room is a mess. I have to do some cleaning. She is crushing the garlic. She is crushing the garlic. उनी लसुन पिस्दै छ. Crushing means थिच्नु. हामी गार्लिक जिन्जर पनि खलमा थिच्छौं और नेपालीमा हामी पिस्ने भन्छौं. She is crushing the garlic. I'm trying to flip the egg in the pan. I'm trying to flip the egg in the pan. म अन्डा पल्टाउने कोसिस गर्दैछु. प्यानमा अन्डा पल्टाउने. I'm trying to flip. प्यानमा अन्डा पल्टाउनु. पल्टाउनु means flip. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Please hit like, share and subscribe.